In this video, I'll show you how to refund a game on Steam. First, click on Steam at the top and open Settings. From here, go to Account, then click Account Details. You can also reach this page by clicking your profile name in the top corner and selecting Account Details. Next, click on View Purchase History. This is located next to your wallet balance. Find the game you want to refund and select it. Choose I would like a refund, then click I'd like to request a refund. On this screen, you'll see the game's details, the refund amount, and where the refund will go, usually your Steam wallet, though you may have the option to change it. Expand the reason box and pick the option that fits your situation. A common choice is it's not fun, but you can select whichever applies to you. You can also add more details in the notes box, for example, if the game didn't meet expectations. Finally, click Submit Request. Keep in mind, to be eligible for a refund, you must have owned the game for less than 14 days and played it for under 2 hours. And that's it. You've now requested a refund on Steam. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like.